you've registered your business on Amazon, it's time to get familiar with the tools that will help you to grow. In this video, we'll explore Seller Central, your main dashboard for managing your Amazon business, and the Amazon Seller app, which keeps you connected on the go. Let's see how these tools can actually make selling simpler, smarter, and more efficient. Seller Central is your all-in-one dashboard for managing every part of your Amazon business, from adding products and tracking orders to checking reports and monitoring performance. So whether you're working on a desktop or using the Seller app on your mobile, this is where everything comes together. With the right understanding, you'll be able to track inventory in real time, adjust prices strategically, and make sure every order reaches customers on time, creating a smooth experience for both you and your buyers. Getting familiar with Seller Central early on can make a real difference in how smoothly your business runs. Now let's take a quick tour of the main menu. Think of this as your control panel. Each section is going to help you manage a different part of your business. First, let's take a look at the catalog section. Under catalog, you can add new products, update listings, upload images, and manage pricing. Up next, it's time to look at the inventory section. So what does the inventory section help you with? It helps you view all your products, update quantities, and track low stock alerts. Now let's go over the pricing section, which helps you automate your product pricing. Let's move on to how to keep track of your orders. So now in the orders category, you can view, confirm, and manage customer orders. Up next, let's head over to advertising, where you create ad campaigns, deals, coupons, and A+ content to help more customers discover your products. Now in the growth tab, you will find programs, product recommendations, and seller rewards, all designed to help you grow your business on Amazon. In the reports section, you have access to multiple reports, which help you track sales, analyze returns, and review tax details. Let's proceed to payments now, which lets you view transactions, settlements, and disbursements. Now let's take a closer look at the performance section, which shows your account health, customer feedback, and key alerts. It also features Amazon Step, a program that offers recommendations to help improve performance and unlock benefits. Partner Network connects you with Amazon-approved third-party apps to help you automate, scale, or accomplish critical business tasks such as managing your inventory, streamlining accounting, optimizing pay-per-click advertising, and many more. Services gives you access to support options like catalog or imaging services through third-party service providers. B2B helps you manage business orders and bulk sales. Let's focus on brands, which lets you manage your brand information, analytics, and experiments. Next, let's explore Learn, where you will find Seller University for video tutorials and learning paths. You can also pin frequently used pages to your favorites bar. Just click the bookmark icon on any page you use often. So now that we have taken you through the menu, let's move to the Help section, which provides quick answers, contact options, and forums. And finally, under Settings, you can manage shipping, tax, return preferences, and user permissions. If you're using the new Seller Central experience, you'll notice a simpler way to move around. The Create button is for all creation workflows, like adding products, creating shipments, or launching promotions and campaigns. And the Manage menu is where you can search, filter, sort, and take action on your products, inventory, orders, payments, and marketing. Use Inbox icon to access and respond to buyer messages. To get in touch with the seller support team, simply click on the Help icon and click on the three-dot menu to manage your settings, including shipping, taxes, user permissions, apps, and notifications. Let's also look at the widgets on your Seller Central homepage. These give you a quick daily snapshot of your business. Start with Global Snapshot and Product Performance to see how your products are doing. Check Open Orders to view what's ready to pack and ship. Account Health shows your policy compliance and customer experience metrics. Payments Overview tells you your current balance and next payout date. And Recommendations offers quick tips to improve your listings, pricing, and delivery. If you are using the new Seller Central experience, here is a quick walkthrough of your home page. At the top, you will find the Workspace tab bar, a summary bar with key business sections. Starting from the left, My Business shows your today's sales at a glance. Products displays your active listings count. Supply Chain gives you your active shipments, followed by Orders, which shows your open orders ready for action. Finance shows your proceeds. Customers reflects your feedback rating. And lastly, Marketing displays your promotions, advertising, and discounts. Just below the Workspace tab bar, you will find a row of quick action buttons relevant to the workspace. You will find a customize option to personalize your home page by adding, removing, resizing, or rearranging widgets to match your workflow. You can also view the relevant reports from the All Reports section. On the left side of your home page, you'll notice the Action Center. It shows your prioritized tasks color-coded by urgency. Critical items like messages pending response or orders requiring shipment, and medium items like inactive listings to review. Below that, you'll find recommendations with growth suggestions like list globally, restock inventory, or learn how to sell on Amazon. Your home page also includes various widgets, each giving you a focused, actionable view of different aspects of your business. Sales shows your ordered product sales, units ordered, and conversion rate for a selected time period. Orders gives you a view of your recent orders and lets you manage them directly from the home page. News and seller forums keep you informed with the latest Amazon announcements and recent community discussions from fellow sellers. Advertising is where you can track your active sponsored campaigns, including sales, spend, impressions, clicks, and return on ad spend. And with the Seller Assistant accessible via the side panel, you can ask Amazon seller-related questions such as inventory management, sales data, business performance, and Amazon selling policies. To make things easier, the Amazon Seller app helps you stay connected wherever you are. The Amazon Seller app is available on both Android and iOS, and it lets you check orders, manage inventory, respond to messages, update prices, and track your account health, all from your phone. So, let's quickly recap. Seller Central is the hub of your Amazon business. Use it to manage account details, sales, orders, and account health. And with the Amazon Seller app, you can stay connected anytime, anywhere. Together, these tools set the foundation for a smooth, smart, and successful selling journey on Amazon.